Hey guys, Chris McKechnie here. I'm a director of photography who uses NiSi Cinema Filters for all of my lighting control needs. Here's some of my footage shot exclusively using their filters. The following is a quick and dirty test of all of the strengths of ND that NiSi has available, from 0.3 all the way to 2.1 of their IRND series, as well as a couple of soft grad filters, hard grad filters, and their circular polarizer as well, which can help you in eliminating reflections when you're outside. As you'll be able to see, there is no visible sharpness degradation through their entire series. Only once you get to the 2.1 do you see any type of casting, and it actually veers a little bit towards magenta. NiSi has really done a great job in the quality of their glass, and they've actually changed it over the course of the years to be better. I've just been incredibly happy using their filters, and I really don't see myself ever using anything else. Now here are some samples of using the yellow light blocker filter. It's supposed to be used in challenging night exterior shots where you have a plethora of uncontrolled and ugly lighting. It pushes blue and magenta while getting rid of the yellow and green casts you get with typical street lamps and city lighting. If you are in need of any lens filters, try NiSi. You'd be pleasantly surprised at the quality of filter that they produce for the price. You can't really beat it.